have many G.I. Joes buried in this yard.
Is he allowed to do that?
What?
Gabe, do we have a lot of G.I. Joes buried in this yard?
Letting him what?
Do the fireworks.
I am not leaving.
Go over there, please.
Can you
See what he's doing.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Toys.
Our fireworks are going to suck next to the people behind us, dude.
Just having them hold up.
It's gonna light him.
We might as well have sparklers compared to theirs.
We might have.
No, I told you to hold it like that. Thank you. Alright, now I can go back to the curb.
Dang.
Hold on, Bubba.
Shit.
Can't wait for next time.
Nothing we have is going to be as cool as that.
Yeah, the cool ones, we're already watching, Bubba.
Yeah.
Thank goodness we have people doing illegal things.
Yay!
Yay for illegal things! That's what Bubba's with. Yay, smoke!
Can we go on this?